United 1888 Heavy at Alpha 7, cross runway 26 right, and contact ground at point 1, traffic holds in position.
United 1888, crossing 26 right, Alpha 7, ground point 1, on the other side.
1913, thanks for your help. Follow company, cross 26 right, ground point 1.
Follow company, cross 26 right, point 1, United 1913, good day.
Frontier 2175, thanks for your help. Contact departure, good flight.
Departure Frontier flight 2175, let's see.
7, the wind is 070 at Niner, runway 19 left, clear for takeoff.
19 left, clear for takeoff, big sharp 107.
Air 843 Las Vegas Tower, runway 19 left, so line up and wait, expect a few minutes in position for traffic departing the converging runways.
Line up and wait, 19 left, Jet Share 843, roger.